Sagittarius, listen to me right now because in the next 72 hours, someone who has been playing games with your heart is about to get served the biggest cosmic slap they have ever experienced, and you need to see this coming. I just pulled the Three of Swords reversed and, oh my goodness, the energy that came through almost knocked me off my chair because this person, this fool who thought they could mess with a Sagittarius and get away with it, they are spiraling into the darkest period of their life, and it is all coming back to haunt them. Everyone thinks revenge is something you have to actively seek, but actually the universe has been building this person's downfall brick by brick while you have been healing and growing stronger. Your silence has been deafening to them, and now they are about to understand exactly what it means to lose someone as rare as you are. The comments are already going insane, and we are not even 2 minutes in. Sarah just wrote that her ex started reaching out after 3 months of silence, exactly like I predicted last week, and Jennifer says her toxic boss just got fired out of nowhere. This energy is real, and it is happening to all fire signs right now, but especially my Sagittarius family. But hold on, because what I am seeing for you personally is going to blow your mind. And I need you to really listen to this next part because your entire life is about to shift in ways you cannot even imagine right now. The first card that jumped out at me for your situation was not what I expected at all. I was reaching for the deck thinking I might see some cups energy around love or maybe some wands for your career, but nope. The universe said we are going deep today and served me up the death card, and when I tell you the message that came through with this card about your person, about what they are going through right now, you are going to get chills. Death is not about physical endings, Sagittarius. What this card is telling me is that everything this person built their life on, their confidence, their sense of security, their ability to manipulate situations to their advantage, all of it is crumbling down around them and they cannot stop it. They are experiencing a complete ego death, and for the first time in probably years, they are being forced to look at themselves without the masks and the games and the lies they tell themselves. And you know what the most beautiful part is? They know it is because of you. They know that losing you was the catalyst for this complete breakdown of everything they thought they were. They wake up every single day, and the first thought in their head is your name. They go to sleep every night replaying conversations you had months ago, trying to figure out where they went wrong. This person is having full-blown panic attacks about their future because without your energy, without your light, without your amazing Sagittarius spirit lifting them up, they are realizing they are actually pretty mediocre, and they hate it. They hate that they need you. They hate that they miss you. They hate that every person they try to connect with since you is just a cheap imitation of what you brought to their life. But we are just getting started because the next card that came through is going to show you exactly what kind of karma is heading their way. And when I pulled this card, I literally had to put my hand over my mouth because the message was so intense. The Tower card landed right on top of Death and Sagittarius. When I tell you that everything this person has been trying to build since you left is about to come crashing down in the most public and embarrassing way possible, I mean everything. Their reputation, their relationships, their work situation, their living situation. It is all built on shaky foundations because they never learned how to be authentic and real the way you tried to teach them. The Tower is divine intervention at its most dramatic, and this is happening to them because the universe is clearing the path for your highest good. Every single thing they are losing right now is something that was blocking them from becoming worthy of someone like you. But here is the thing. By the time they finally get their life together, by the time they finally learn the lessons you tried to teach them, you are going to be so far ahead of them spiritually and emotionally that they will not even be able to recognize the person you have become. I am getting chills right now because I can feel your energy so strongly through this reading, and you know this is true. You can already feel yourself changing. You can feel yourself caring less about their drama and more about your own growth. You can feel your standards raising and your tolerance for nonsense getting lower, and that is what true power looks like. And the comment section is proving this energy is everywhere right now. Michelle just said her ex lost his job the same week he tried to come back into her life. David says his toxic friend group is falling apart without him there to be the peacemaker. This is not coincidence. This is cosmic justice, and it is happening right now. But wait until you hear what the next card revealed about what is coming for you specifically, because while they are dealing with this karmic correction, while they are learning these hard lessons about what it means to lose someone genuine, your life is about to get so good that you will not even remember why you ever gave them a second thought. The Ace of Cups appeared and I screamed, because this is new love energy, Sagittarius, but not just any love. This is soulmate level connection coming into your life, and the timing is absolutely perfect because you needed to go through this cleansing period to be ready for what is about to arrive. This new person coming in has everything your person lacked. They have emotional maturity, they have genuine intentions, they communicate clearly and directly, they do not play games because they are secure in themselves, and they recognize quality when they see it. And you, my beautiful Sagittarius, you are about to be treated like the absolute queen or king that you are. The energy around this new connection is so pure and so healing that when it arrives, you will understand why nothing worked out with that other person. You will see how the universe was protecting you from settling for crumbs when you deserved the whole feast. This new person is going to love all the things about you that your past person took for granted or tried to change. Your adventurous spirit that they called irresponsible? This new person finds it inspiring and wants to explore the world with you. Your direct Sagittarius honesty that they said was too much? This new person will appreciate your authenticity because they are tired of playing games with fake people. Your big dreams and optimistic outlook that they tried to dim? This new person is going to be your biggest cheerleader and support system. And here is what is going to make your person absolutely lose their mind. This new connection is going to show up in your life right around the time they finally work up the courage to reach out to you. They are going to come crawling back with their apologies and their promises to change and their sob stories about how hard life has been without you. And you are going to be so genuinely happy and fulfilled that their drama will not even register as important anymore. But the universe is not done revealing secrets because the next card that came through showed me exactly how this person has been suffering. And honestly, it is both heartbreaking and satisfying at the same time because justice is justice. The Nine of Swords landed, and this card is about anxiety, sleepless nights, worry, and mental torture that comes from knowing you messed up something good. This person has been losing sleep over you, Sagittarius. They have been having nightmares about losing you permanently. They wake up in cold sweats thinking about all the ways they failed you and all the chances they wasted. They have been stalking your social media obsessively, trying to see if you are moving on. Every time you post something happy or successful, they feel like they are being stabbed in the chest because they know they could have been part of that joy if they had just treated you right. They have been analyzing every single interaction you ever had, trying to find clues about whether there is still hope for them. This person has been going through their phone, looking at old messages between you two and crying, actually crying, about how good things used to be before they started taking you for granted. They have been comparing every new person they meet to you, and nobody measures up, because nobody has your fire, your passion, your intelligence, your humor, your loyalty. Nobody. They have been asking mutual friends about you, hoping to get information about how you are doing and whether you ever mention them. When people tell them you seem happier and more confident than ever, it absolutely destroys them because they realize they were actually holding you back instead of lifting you up the way a real partner should. Oh my God, the energy is getting so intense right now. I can literally feel this person's regret through the cards, and it is overwhelming. They would give anything to go back and treat you the way you deserved from the beginning, but time does not work that way, and karma does not give do-overs. Members of my private community have been messaging me non-stop about this exact energy because they saw this coming weeks ago. The spiritual awakening happening in the collective right now is massive, and everyone who has been playing games or taking good people for granted is about to face some serious consequences. But let me pull one more card about what this all means for your future because the message coming through is absolutely beautiful, and you need to hear this. The star card just appeared, and I am literally getting goosebumps because this is hope, healing, and wishes coming true. After everything you have been through, after all the disappointment and heartbreak and confusion, you are entering a period of such profound healing and renewal that you will barely recognize yourself 6 months from now. The star is telling me that you have learned the lessons you needed to learn from this situation. You have developed stronger boundaries. You have raised your standards. You have reconnected with your own worth and value. You are no longer willing to accept breadcrumbs from people who should be offering you full meals. This healing process has been preparing you for blessings that are so much bigger than what you lost. The universe had to clear out the mediocre to make room for the magnificent, and what is coming for you in love, career, friendships, and personal fulfillment is going to exceed every dream you have ever had. Your person is going to watch from the sidelines as you become everything you were always meant to be. They are going to see you thriving and glowing and succeeding, and they are going to know that they had their chance to be part of that magic, and they blew it. They are going to spend the rest of their lives wondering, what if, while you are living your best life? And here is the part that is going to absolutely kill them. You are not going to be angry anymore. You are not going to be bitter or resentful. You are going to look at them with genuine compassion, because you will understand that their inability to love you properly was never about you. It was about their own wounds and limitations and fear of real intimacy. The level of peace and confidence you are stepping into is going to be magnetic, Sagittarius. People are going to be drawn to your energy like moths to a flame, because authentic happiness is rare in this world, and you are about to have it in abundance. I just pulled one final card to see what message the universe wants to leave you with, and oh my gosh. The Sun card appeared, and I am literally crying happy tears because this is pure joy, success, and victory after a long, difficult period. Everything you have been working toward, every dream you have been nurturing, every goal you have been pursuing while healing from this situation, it is all about to come to fruition in ways that will amaze you. The Sun is the most positive card in the entire tarot deck, and it is your card right now, Sagittarius. This person who thought they could dim your light, who tried to make you smaller to fit their limited vision, they are about to watch you shine brighter than you ever have in your entire life. Your success is going to be their biggest regret, and your happiness is going to be the proof that they never deserved you in the first place. The universe is about to show you why you had to go through this experience. Every tear you cried was watering the seeds of your future success. Every sleepless night was preparing you for the deep, peaceful rest that comes with knowing your worth. Every moment of doubt was strengthening your faith in your own resilience. Your person is going to realize that losing you was not just losing a relationship. It was losing their connection to their own highest potential, because your energy was inspiring them to be better than they naturally are. Without you, they are going back to their old patterns, their old limitations, their old fears, and they hate how small their life feels now. But you, my beautiful Sagittarius, you are about to discover that you never needed them to complete you. You are whole and perfect and powerful all by yourself, and when the right person comes along, they are going to enhance what you already have instead of trying to fix what was never broken. The comments are absolutely exploding right now, with people sharing their own stories of karmic justice and new love, and I am getting chills reading all of your experiences. This energy is real, and it is happening to fire signs everywhere, but especially my Sagittarius family who have been through so much this year. If you felt this reading in your soul, if every word resonated with your current situation, if you know that everything I just said is about to come true for you, then smash that subscribe button, because your future literally depends on staying connected to this energy. The universe is moving fast right now, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. And if you want to dive even deeper into your personal situation, if you are ready to know exactly when this new love is arriving and what you can do to prepare for it, you know where to find me for those deeper conversations that change everything. Your person thought they could walk away from a Sagittarius and find something better. Joke is on them because they just lost the best thing that will ever happen to them, and karma is making sure they never forget it. Meanwhile, you are about to live so well that revenge becomes irrelevant, because success is the best revenge of all. Subscribe now, because your glow-up era starts today, and I am going to be here documenting every single victory. Your person is watching, your haters are watching, and they are all about to see what happens when you stop dimming your light to make other people comfortable.